Ever found yourself stuck saying, "I don't understand" in English? Let's explore some better alternatives to express confusion or seek clarification effectively. First, try saying, "Can you explain that in a different way?" This shows you're making an effort to understand. If you need more context, say, "What do you mean by that?" This invites the speaker to elaborate on their point. Another great option is, "Could you clarify what you mean?" This is polite and shows you're actively listening. When you're missing specifics, try, "Could you give me more details?" This helps you gather the information you need. For situations involving complex concepts, say, "Can you simplify that for me?" It indicates you need a more straightforward explanation. Use, "Could you rephrase that, please?" if the phrasing is what confuses you. This asks the speaker to try a different approach. If you're unsure about a particular word, ask, "What does specific word mean?" This targets your confusion directly. When you partially understand, saying, "I'm not sure I follow," can be useful. It signals that you need a bit more help. Alternatively, "Could you go over that again?" is effective. It shows you want a second chance to grasp the information. For technical or detailed content, use, "Can you run through that again?" It suggests a need for repetition. If you're almost there but need a nudge, try, "I'm not quite getting it." This invites the speaker to assist without starting over. Remember, expressing confusion doesn't have to be daunting. These phrases will help you communicate your needs clearly and confidently. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.